How to see WhatsApp deleted messages in iPhone. First, you want to head to your phone settings. Here you want to check for your Wi-Fi connection. After that is done, head to the App Store. Then in the search bar, look for the WhatsApp app. If the app needs to be updated, go ahead and do that. Third, you want to go to WhatsApp and open your WhatsApp settings. From the list of the options, you want to go to Chat. Then go to the option of Chat Backup. You want to make sure that Auto Backup is enabled. And if you want to back up all your chats right now, then go ahead and click on Backup Now. Unfortunately, there is no option where you can retrieve your old deleted messages. So all you can do is you can regularly back up your chats. So that is how you see WhatsApp deleted messages. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.